Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to solve problems involving sets. And to do that, we would make use of Venn diagram and also apply the operations that we have learned. Okay, let's have example number 1. In a survey done by Pets United, they found that 200 people owned a cat but not a dog, 150 owned a dog but not a cat, 350 owned a dog, and 50 owned neither a cat nor a dog. Now, let us look at the questions first. How many people participated in the survey? How many people owned both a cat and a dog? And how many people owned a cat? Okay. Let us draw a Venn diagram illustrating this problem. The universal set will be the set of all people interviewed or who participated in the survey done by Pets United. And that will also include two sets. One is for dog and the other one is for cat. Now, in the problem here, we can see 350 owned a dog. Okay? But since it is not clear how many from the 300 also owned a cat, we cannot write that here yet. Okay? Let us look at the other given. 200 people owned a cat, but not a dog. So this statement here is very specific, which means we can write 200 here. Next, 150 owned a dog but not a cat. So we can write 150 here. Next, 50 owned neither a cat nor a dog. Okay? So that means 50 is outside of these two sets but still inside our universal set. So let's just put that here. Okay? Let's go back to 350. 350 owned a dog, and as we can see here, we already have 150. So 350 minus 150 is 200, which is the number that we will write here in the intersection. Okay? Let us answer the questions. Number 1, or letter A. How many people participated in the survey? So this means this is the total number of elements in our universal set. We have 150 plus 200 plus 200 plus 50. That is 600. Next, how many people owned both a cat and a dog? So we see here the words both and, which means we are looking for the intersection of cat and dog, and that is 200. Next, how many people owned a cat? So we will look at the set that contains cat. We have here 200 and 200, so the answer is 400. So now, let's have another example. This time, we will include 3 elements or 3 sets. Among the 160 customers from a local ice cream shop, 87 bought chocolate, 45 bought strawberry, 90 bought pistachio, 14 bought chocolate and strawberry, 20 bought strawberry and pistachio, 35 bought chocolate and pistachio, and 4 bought all 3 flavors. Okay. Let us draw this problem, or let us illustrate this problem using a Venn diagram. So the universal set would consist of all the 160 customers of the ice cream shop. Okay, and the 3 sets that we will draw here will be chocolate, strawberry, and pistachio. So I named it C, S, and P. Okay? It is important that when you see numbers here, you don't write it immediately, because here in 87, in the 87 that bought chocolate, some might also bought strawberry and pistachio. Okay? So, it is important to write the number that would be the intersection of all the sets. And in this problem, we can see here 4, which is the number who bought all 3 flavors. We will write that here. That is the intersection of set C, S, and P. Next, 35 bought chocolate and pistachio. And means intersection. That means the 35 is for the intersection of chocolate and pistachio. But we already have 4 here, which means 35 minus 4, 31. Next, 20 bought strawberry and pistachio. Here, that will be here, intersection of strawberry and pistachio, but we only have 4, so 16. Okay, next, 14 bought chocolate and strawberry. That is the intersection of C and S, but we already have 4 here, so 10. Next, 90 bought pistachio, so that will be here. That is 90 minus 31 minus 4 minus 16, so we have 39. Next, 45 bought strawberry, that is 45 minus 10 minus 4 minus 16, which is 15. Next, 87 bought chocolate, that is 87 minus 31 minus 4 minus 10, which is 42. Now, let us add all the elements, all the numbers here. We have 42 plus 10 plus 4 plus 31 plus 15 plus 16 plus 39. That is 157. But according to the question, there are 160 customers. So that means 3 is outside of the 3 sets. Now we will put 3 here. Okay, let us now answer questions based on this Venn diagram. How many bought chocolate only? That means it will be the set of all elements in C only. Okay, excluding all of the intersection. That is 42. Okay, how many bought strawberry only? Dito naman tayo in set S. So that is 15. In the operation, if we will use operation, that is subtraction. That is S minus P and minus C. Strawberry only, 15. Next, how many bought pistachio only? We have 39. Okay, next, how many bought chocolate and strawberry but not pistachio? Okay, and means intersection. That means chocolate and strawberry, but it will exclude those who also bought pistachio. And the intersection of chocolate and strawberry is this part, but 4 is includes those who also bought pistachio. The answer here is only 10. Okay, next. How many bought strawberry and pistachio but not chocolate? Intersection of strawberry and pistachio. Okay, but we need to subtract strawberry and pistachio, but we need to subtract those who bought chocolate, so excluding this part. Answer is 16. Next, how many bought pistachio and chocolate but not strawberry? Intersection naman this time of pistachio and chocolate but not strawberry. 31 yung answer. Next question. How many bought chocolate or strawberry but not pistachio? Dito naman, the question is or. In the previous question, the question is and. So, if you can see and, it means intersection. But if the question is or, that means union. Because this question here means those who bought chocolate, it can be chocolate only, or strawberry, meaning strawberry only, or those who also bought chocolate and strawberry. But there is a statement here that says but not pistachio. So we need to exclude those who bought pistachio because it should be excluded. Ano lang ang i-add natin dyan? We will add 42, 10, and 15. So that is the union of chocolate and strawberry minus pistachio. It is 42 plus 10 plus 15, which is 67. Next, how many bought strawberry or pistachio but not chocolate? So that is either strawberry or pistachio only, or both strawberry and pistachio but not chocolate, excluding this part. That is 15 plus 16 plus 39, which is 70. Next, how many bought pistachio or chocolate but not strawberry? Ito naman, pistachio and chocolate but not strawberry. That is 42 plus 31 plus 39, which is 112. That's why it is important for you to read the question, because or and will mean different things. Okay? Next question. How many bought chocolate or strawberry? So this is similar to the question before, but in the previous question we have but not. Here, there is no restriction. So, it will just be the union of chocolate and strawberry. We will add everything here. 42 plus 31 plus 10 plus 4 plus 16 plus 15. That is 118. Next, how many bought strawberry or pistachio? So, union of strawberry and pistachio, that is 10 plus 15 plus 4 plus 16 plus 31 plus 39. That is 115. Next, how many bought pistachio or chocolate? That is 42 plus 31 plus 10 plus 4 plus 39 plus 16. 142. Next, how many did not buy chocolate, pistachio, or strawberry? That will be the number which is outside. If we will apply the operation, that is C union S union P quantity prime or complement. And the answer is 3. Now, in this question in J, K, and L, this is the union of chocolate and strawberry. Diba, before we write 3 here, we have added all the elements, which is the union of chocolate, strawberry, and pistachio. And the answer to that is 157. Actually, there is another way for us to solve this, and that is we subtract the number of customer who only bought pistachio from those who bought all 3 flavors altogether. So, since the total here is 157, we can just subtract 39 from that, and the answer is 180. In this question, we can subtract 42 from 157, that is 115, and here 157 minus 15 is 142. Okay. Next question. How many bought exactly 1 flavor? Now, for this question, we will only consider those who bought chocolate, strawberry, or pistachio, because we are not really sure about these 3. Maybe they did not really bought ice cream at all. Probably just cones or cups or anything else that is sold in that ice cream store, or it can also be any other flavor of ice cream. So we will only consider those who bought chocolate, strawberry, and pistachio to answer this question. Now, how many bought exactly 1 flavor? That will be the set of all elements who only bought chocolate only, strawberry only, or pistachio only. That is 42 plus 15 plus 39, which is 96. Next, how many bought exactly 2 flavors? So, exactly, which means intersection of 2 sets, but it should exclude the intersection of all 3 sets because it says here exactly. Okay? So, that will be 10 plus 31 plus 16, which is 57. Next, how many bought at least one from the 3 flavors? Now, we have here at least. So, at least one, which means it can be those who bought just one flavor, 2 flavors, or all 3 flavors. So, to get that, since we know that 96 bought exactly one flavor, and then 57 bought 2 flavors, and 4 bought all 3 flavors. So that is 157. Actually, in this question, this is just the sum of all of the elements here, or the union of all 3 sets, which we know is 157. Next, how many bought at least 2 from the 3 flavors? At least 2. So that means those who bought exactly 2 flavors and those who bought 3 flavors. So that is 57 plus 4, which is 61. Okay. I think that's the last question. That's the end of our discussion for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!